One of the most attractive aspects of the commercial door kit is the ability to be flexible with any power near the access point. Brian with Superior Security explains how unexpected power demands, concrete and steel buildings, and crossing a road were all easily handled by the Surefire commercial door kit.
Brian Christensen with Superior Security Services. I wanted to report on a recent install where we paired up a Wiegand wireless bridge with an integrated power supply and battery backup. Fortunately, on this situation, the power supply was amazing. As the electrician pulled power from the overhead exit sign, the incoming power was 277, which we thought was going to be a roadblock. Fortunately, the integrated power supply was able to handle that with no issues. We simply mounted the power supply on the wall, inserted our Wiegand wireless bridge, and we were up and running in a matter of minutes. The install went very smooth and we're impressed with the overall versatility.